Welcome back to my channel. Today we have look number 2 using the Believe Beauty Plush purples, and I really love this eyeshadow palette and I have come up with several looks. I'm challenging myself to see how many looks I can come up with using just these eyeshadows from this palette. And first we have to start by priming our lids, and next we're going to be taking the Believe Beauty Plush Purples palette. Now you guys, this is one of the softer looks that I've come up with so far. There was a Get Ready With Me, there's this one, and I can already tell you now that I have filmed a total of 4 eyeshadow looks so far. So I plan on filming at least 6. And we're just going to take this pencil brush with that beautiful purple shade, my favorite purple in the palette actually, and it's the first row third eyeshadow. We're just going to pack that in a C shape in our outer corner. So just pack that on. And these shadows are pigmented except the 2 light shades. They're kind of sheer and you have to really build them up. But I'm choosing to lightly build this up because, like I always say in my videos, it's better to lightly build it up because you can't hardly take it away. It's kind of like salt and pepper when you cook. You better not overdo it. You better do it little at a time. So we're taking that light lilac shade in the palette and really going to be packing that on the lid with this little bitty shader brush from Real Techniques. And I love this brush. If you have small lid space, highly recommend this one. It's just a shader brush, but it's tiny. We're just going to continue to pack that in, and we're going to pack that up to the crease. And we're taking the second row, second shadow there in the middle, and I'm just going to use that to kind of buff in the middle and inner part of the crease, and a little bit against the other purple shade we applied in the outer corner. Just kind of buff it against the edges there. This is literally just for some blending purposes, to make it look more flush, more one, make the eyeshadows look melted together, if that makes sense. One of my favorite highlight shades is the NYX Pure Skin, and this is just a single eyeshadow, and I'm really going to buff that under the brow and blend down the edges. And you'll see here in a second we're going to go back in and add a little bit of shade and blend, really buff that in with the highlight shade. I do this in every tutorial. And we're going to take that very beautiful purple in the palette, my favorite one, and we're going to really smudge that against our lower lash line with a very stiff kind of eyeshadow brush. Next up, we're using the e.l.f. Eye Transformer. I told myself I'm going to start using this more because I love so much, and I hadn't used it in a really long time. So we're taking a combination of the purple blue duochrome eyeshadow and the pink red eyeshadow duochrome there, and put it in the inner corner. Now this is the Milani eye or Hynotic eye topper, and number 4. So I'm just going to place a little bit of that in the inner corner, bring it on the lash line just a bit, and when it meets with the purple it makes the prettiest little pop of pink purpley duochrome-ness. Do you hear that plane? Yay. We live in the country, and one of the people we live near actually has his own plane, and he flies it overhead sometimes. Yeah, kind of crazy, but not really. But use that WetnWild eyeliner. I'm loving that, and then I'm also loving the Believe Beauty. Love this Midnight in Paris eyeliner. Highly recommend this eyeliner. I'm gonna get probably all the shades that they have available in this liquid eyeliner pen. And yes, there's that. And yes, I was seriously digging this eyeliner. It's so awesome. Now this is their fiber mascara. At first I was not a fan, but I figured it out. You literally have to apply a coat, let it dry for like 10 seconds, apply another coat, just keep building it up. You can build it up as much as you want, and I'm actually really liking this mascara now, and it doesn't leave my lashes like hard, and it doesn't fall on my face. It lasts all day without flaking, and I am really impressed. I'm really loving that mascara now. And next up is lips, and of course we're going to be using the Believe Beauty Satin Crush lipstick in Soft Rose. Beautiful shade, nice and creamy, lasts a long time on the lips. Highly recommend trying those lipsticks out. And this is the Hard Candy Glow Spray, I believe, and I'm fanning myself off. And that's our finished look. I love how it turned out. If you have green eyes, they're really going to pop because of all these purples. I hope you guys stay tuned for the rest of the makeup looks that I have come up with using Plush purples. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links and product lists. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.